Alright guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys something pretty cool, alright? You guys are about to see the brand new foam farm. And here we are, guys. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button for me. Thank you so very much. With that being said, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. So yes guys, we do have a brand new setup for the foam farm. And yes, it is expandable still. Now I'm about to show you guys which apps I actually run on this foam farm as well. But stay tuned for that at the end of the video, because right now we're about to go over how this actually got here. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's go. So the very first thing we needed was materials to actually build this thing, so obviously we headed over to our home improvement store, aka Rona, which is, if you don't already know, kind of like Home Depot. And obviously we needed a few power bars as well, so Dollar Tree, thank you. Now after collecting all the materials, we needed to get to work, and despite me being in Canada, it was freaking hot. Like seriously. Now due to my great judgment of holes, it appears that the pegboard was actually too small to actually fit any wires through it, so what did we have to do? Well, we had to make the holes bigger. Montage time. Dude, that was literally one row. It's been like 40 minutes, dude. Oh my god.
Eternity later.
Now that the charging cables actually go through the pegboard, we need to actually make a frame that could actually hang on the wall now, so yeah. And obviously I had some help along the way. Thanks, Rylan. What do you want to do, Rylan?
It's time to go to Bacon. It's time to go to Bacon.
Now at this point we had our board set up and ready to go. All that was left to do was actually wire everything at the back and place all the phones on top with the Velcro tape. And that's pretty much it. Let's get right into it. And after a couple hours of setting up, we finally did it. It is now ready to hang up on the wall. So after a few days of assembling this thing, we got our foam farm up and running. Okay guys, so let's actually go over the apps that we're going to be running on this foam farm. And yes, by the way, I'm going to throw this out there. This is a bit messy, but you know what? This is going to be going into this drawer right here once we actually cut out a hole in the back. So we're going to place that in, and then yeah, that'll be in a future video. But for now guys, let's go over the apps that we're actually running. So right here we got cache magnets going, all 4 of them, and pretty simple. You guys know what cache magnet is, I'm pretty sure at least. And this right here is AA music, oh sorry, current music. So we're running 2 current musics right there, and these 4 phones right here will be running AA music, I believe. So basically music streaming stuff right along this row. Then at the end of this row we got honey game, just 1 honey game, because well, the other laptop is actually running another honey game, so that's our 2 device limit already. Alright guys, so moving to the second row, we have 5 phones right here. Not set up yet, but we're going to get Crypto Tab running on that. Next 5 phones from the challenge. If you guys haven't seen that phone farm challenge, go ahead and click the link above right now. And yes, this is running Crypto Tab as usual. We're going to get Cloud Boost, but that will be for another video. Then this phone right here was running App Station or some type of Fit Play app. Same with this one. This is running Cash Alarm. Next we got a whole row of Crypto Tabs again, and we're going to run these 5 phones right here on Crypto Tab as well. Now the top row, we literally haven't done anything to it yet, so the plan is Crypto Tab, Crypto Tab, Crypto Tab, Crypto Tab, Crypto Tab, all along this entire row. So yeah guys, we're actually gonna go ahead and get 2 more accounts going on Crypto Tab. So yeah guys, we are really hitting that Crypto Tab pretty hard. In fact, we're gonna get that laptop running Crypto Tab as well, and this laptop right here to run some Honey Gain and some Hideout TV. So that is basically what the phone farm is looking like. I did order 1 more phone so that we could actually fill up this gap right here, and that should be coming in pretty soon. We also have 2 more rows at the very top open for 22 phones if we do ever decide to expand. Let's say Crypto Tab goes crazy and we also make a bunch of money from Bitcoin and all that, then yes, maybe it's worth filling that top row. But for now guys, this is what the phone farm will look like, with an additional phone right here on its way. So that is basically it. Right guys, so if you did enjoy this video, make sure you go ahead and smash the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. Click this video right here if you want to make more money online. I'll see you guys over there. Until then, thank you guys so very much for watching. Peace out for now.